The impact of the new affordable rents will be different depending on which area of the country that you're in. And for example, in London, these rents will be very high by traditional standards, so that we might anticipate somewhere in the region of £250 to £300 a week as 80% of a standard rent, compared to up to now it's been of the order of £90 to £100 a week. Outside of London, the effect could be quite different, and it is predicted that in certain areas of the country, the 80% affordable rent could actually be lower than the existing social rent. It raises the question for some RSLs that operate on a national level about their stock and about whether they should specialise in certain areas, because another aspect of the bid round is that the RSLs are being asked to work on a much more efficient basis. Now, if you've got relationships and portfolios that extend to maybe 100 or 200 areas of the country, it's quite clear that these are going to need to be rationalised in order to maintain a good partnership, which is the way RSLs will need to operate in future with their local authorities. The government will be looking for RSLs to be as innovative as possible. You may see some RSLs grouping together, in fact, to go out with significant bond issues so that they can raise finance for additional development.
There's a tremendous amount of investor interest in investing into secure public sector income streams. You can achieve yields better than prudential borrowing rates. So how can we're looking at models about how you can take that investor interest and harness it to lever better delivery in new affordable housing models. So we're looking at ways in which you can split the asset from the income. The investor gets the benefit of the income, the registered provider manages the asset, which is what they're efficient at, and the occupiers of the properties, of course, are comfortable with the registered provider, and the investor's comfortable because he's managing the income, not managing the asset.
Nationally, we need a healthy housing industry. Not only do we have 5 million people who need homes, this has a major impact on the economy in terms of how the construction industry performs. So we need local authorities to be innovative and to bring forward their assets and to promote development programs in a creative way.